Hi guys, let's talk about the OnePlus 12 versus RedMagic 9 Pro Plus. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $700 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The weight of these devices, the OnePlus 12 220 grams and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 229 grams. The build, the OnePlus 12 front and back glass and the aluminium frame, and RedMagic 9 Pro Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame. Both mobile come with dual SIM. Talk about the display of these devices. The OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color display and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size is similar, and the resolution of this device, the OnePlus 12 resolution is 2K and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 1116 by 2480 pixels. The PPI dynasty is OnePlus 12 510 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 400. The refresh rate, OnePlus 12 and RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 120Hz refresh rate. Screen to body ratio similarly mostly same, and the protection, the OnePlus 12 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The screen brightness of OnePlus 12 is 4500 nits and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 1600 nits peak, and also have HDR10 plus. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel, the 50 megapixel ultra wide and the 64 megapixel telephoto camera, and also record 8K 30fps video. And the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it also record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the OnePlus 12 have 32 megapixel 4K 60fps video record selfie camera, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 16 megapixel under display camera. And the platform of these devices, the OnePlus 12 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with octa-core processor Cortex X4, and the chipset of these devices is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor, and the GPU of these devices Adreno 750, and also come with Android 14. The memory of these devices, the OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB, and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 12GB and 16GB and 24GB RAM, and also have 1TB storage, and not available micro SD card. The battery, the OnePlus 12 have 5400 mAh battery and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 5500 mAh battery. The fast charging of these mobile, OnePlus 12 have 100 watt fast charging and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with 165 watt wireless fast charging. The wireless charging of these mobile, the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus not have any wireless charging. The OnePlus 12 have 50 watt fast wireless charging and also come with 5G network. The result, the OnePlus 12 got 25 points and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus got 20 points.